Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the Gemini red saree trend. We'll start by understanding the key elements that define this popular style. Then, we'll dive into selecting the perfect shade of red and the ideal fabric for an elegant drape. Finally, I'll guide you through modern styling techniques to achieve a truly captivating look. Choosing your saree is crucial for this trend. Focus on vibrant red shades, like a deep crimson or a rich ruby, that truly stand out. Lightweight fabrics such as georgette or chiffon will ensure a graceful drape. Remember, subtle embellishments work best, keeping the focus on the color and flow. A standard saree length of about 5.5 meters is ideal. The way you drape your saree makes all the difference. Aim for a contemporary, clean style that allows the fabric to flow beautifully. Pair it with a well-fitted blouse, either matching or in a complementary color. When it comes to jewelry, less is often more. Choose minimalist pieces that enhance rather than overpower the saree. Comfortable, stylish footwear completes your ensemble. To finalize your Gemini red saree look, consider your hair and makeup. A sleek, polished hairstyle or soft, romantic waves can both work wonderfully. Apply makeup that enhances your natural features, keeping it elegant and balanced. Most importantly, carry yourself with confidence. Practice walking gracefully in your chosen outfit, and you'll truly embody the trend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.